These men aren't dealing with their sin through confession and repentance, but through anger management. The sin of anger is so widespread in society that the concept of anger management has entered the pop culture lexicon. Anutsa Bellissimo is a specialist who has treated thousands of people with anger issues.
Anger in today's society, I believe, is a very serious issue. Looking at one simple statistic of 18,000 assaults being reported per week in the US, I think anger is definitely an issue.
Bellissimo says that anger is not a deadly sin, but an inappropriate behavior.
I do not believe you can get rid of anger. I feel that anger is a very necessary human emotion. For me, anger is a red flag. For me, anger is a way of acknowledging that there's things that I'm not dealing with.
Experts say that the key to overcoming anger is less about controlling rage and more about creating connections.
If you tell them this anger is destroying your relationship with your wife or your children, that seems to work. Having a relationship, that's what humanity is all about, our connection to each other.
Tradition claims that the sin of anger is punishable by eternal damnation. But Bellissimo feels this religious approach is useless in the modern world.
I've never been able to scare any angry students from being angry because they would go to hell. I've never been able to use that as a tool.